strengthening infrastructure, and developing disaster response plans to prevent such widespread devastation in the future. However, the economic and social recovery was slow, with many families continuing to feel the ripple effects of Fifi's destruction for decades. The legacy of Hurricane Fifi serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of preparedness in the face of such catastrophic events. The storm's lasting impact not only reshaped the physical landscape of Honduras, but also the lives of its people, leaving behind stories of survival, loss, and resilience.